Our brains are constantly working, processing information, and forming memories. Just like any other organ, the brain needs the right fuel to function at its best. It needs the brain-boosting foods. What we eat directly impacts our cognitive abilities, influencing our memory, focus, and overall brain health. A diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients can make a significant difference in keeping our minds sharp and agile as we age. By making conscious food choices, we can provide our brains with the essential building blocks for optimal performance. A brain-boosting and memory improvement food. Number 1. When it comes to brain-boosting foods, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel deserve a top spot on your plate. These aquatic wonders are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, which are crucial for brain structure and function. Think of omega-3s as the building blocks of brain cells, promoting healthy communication between neurons and supporting learning and memory. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to improved cognitive function, reduced risk of age-related decline, and even protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Definitely a brain-boosting food. Number 2. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable often overlooked, is another nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your brain-boosting foods and diet. One of its key contributions is vitamin K, a nutrient essential for the formation of sphingolipids, which act as insulation for nerve cells, ensuring efficient signal transmission. Broccoli also boasts a wealth of antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress, a major contributor to cognitive decline. Please subscribe for more great informative videos on food to boost your memory. Number 3. Blueberries, small but mighty, are bursting with brain-boosting benefits. These tiny fruits are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give blueberries their vibrant color and protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Anthocyanins have been shown to improve communication between brain cells, enhance memory, and even delay age-related cognitive decline. Adding a handful of blueberries to your daily diet is a delicious and easy way to give your brain and memory a cognitive boost. Number 4. Turmeric, the golden spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, owes its brain-boosting properties to a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct benefits to the brain and memory. It has been shown to help clear amyloid plaques, which are protein deposits associated with Alzheimer's disease. Studies suggest that curcumin may improve memory, enhance learning, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Another brain-boosting food and good for your memory. Number 5. Coffee offers more than just a morning energy boost. It contains caffeine, enhancing alertness and cognitive function. Coffee is also rich in antioxidants, protecting brain cells from damage. Number 6. Nuts, especially walnuts, are a powerhouse for brain health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. So add nuts to your diet as a brain-boosting food. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional goldmine, rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, crucial for brain function. And there you have it. 7 brain-boosting foods. Please subscribe for more great informative videos on food to boost your brain and memory.